Unforeseen disaster can be incredibly stressful, costly, and dangerous to everyone. Restoration Plus are the licensed and insured one-stop water, fire, and mold damage restoration experts for residential and commercial properties in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area, and we work with any type of insurance company. Water damage can ruin a property and its value, so you'll need to tackle it as soon as possible. Our experts monitor the moisture levels throughout the drying process until the property is dry and it is safe to begin the reconstruction process.
By working with Restoration Plus, we will save you time, money, and a lot of stress. You won't have to deal with other contractors coming in and out of your home. You will deal just with us, and we will get you back to your normal living situation as soon as possible.
Fire emergencies are terrifying when they happen and create smoke and soot staining on floors, walls, furniture, and more. Our specialized fire crew cleans debris, sanitizes soot and smoke staining, removes odor, and reconstructs your property. Mold can produce allergens and irritants. Have you caught a musty and unusual smell in your home? There's a chance that you might have a mold problem. Call Restoration Plus immediately.
Restoration Plus is also a licensed and insured 24/7 mold remediation expert that you can count on to solve your mold problems, mitigating harmful effects of toxic mold.
Avoid dealing with multiple different contracting companies.
Restoration Plus is also a full-service construction company that will make your house look new again.
In the face of unexpected danger, it is our mission to be a team you can count on anytime, any day, 24/7. Restoration Plus, 240-828-8054. When you need us, we come.